We dancing? We're grooving.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at the baby dancing.
Look at her move. So cute.
She's a good dancer.
She's a good dancer. Look at her. Good go, girl.
Turn around and face mama. Show mommy.
Yeah.
Woo.
Awesome. That's so cute. Woo!
Let's do some moves like this.
Do the swim. Do the swim.
Let's do the swim. Make believe you're swimming. There you go. You can swim too, Rosie. Let's do the monkey.
Oh yeah, do it, Rose. I like that move.
Chopsticks.
Oh,
Watch out for baby.
Now let's move our shoulders.
There you go.
There you go. Let's move our hips, Rosie.
I'm robot.
Oh yeah, you're a robot.
All right, booty's in.
Booty's in. Booty's in.
Turn around.
Booty's
put your
in.
booty
Go, girl.
Oh yeah.
Old people twerking. Old people twerking. Old people twerking.
And the baby in the middle. And we can all let one rip on it.
Oh no! That's mean.
Poor Alice. She needs a gas mask. Woo! Come on, let's dance with Grandma. Ready? Let's go. Ready?
There you go.
Good job, Rose. Clap it. Clap, Alice.
Alice
Clap.
is like, what is going on?
Some head bobbing in there. Head bob.
Hey, stop.
Hold her hand. Oh, you gonna slow dance now? Oh, I like that.
Oh, dance down.
Aww.
Yay! Everybody's got a partner now.
Except for the camera.
Oh, there you go.
Dance party. Woo, woo, woo.
This is like the Dave
Now,
Clark.
now me and
what is
Grandma
it?
switch.
Countdown?
Dick
Oh,
Clark.
Dick Clark.
What'd you call Dave Clark?
American Bandstand.
Now Pepe has
All right. I didn't teach her that. She's just been twirling by herself. Good job.
Oh, the
Oh, my
music
phone.
died.
Let's put
At
it
the
back
end, you
on.
get to kiss your chick.
Oh, here's my chick.
Okay, let me twirl. You ready?
My chick mustn't like me. She's trying to get out of my arms.
She's too handsy. Oh, this goes there. Oh boy.
do this.
It's a long video.
Yeah, I'm trying to find another song.
You know you can change it.
It's good beat for Saturday night dancing.
It is a good beat.
Clap, clap, clap. She might be poopy.
She is. I'm squishing it.
Now me and Grandma's.
No, me and Daddy.
Oh, no, we don't want two boys.
What's the matter? You don't go down that street?
No.
You guys are good dancers. I'm jealous.
You want to dance? I'll film you.
Now
Yeah.
me and Pepe.
Is it off
Rosie,
right now?
Go with Daddy.
No.
Go with Daddy. Ow. Rosie, you go with Daddy.
Yeah.
I go with Pepe. Mommy, I go with you.
You changing the song?
Alright. Let me dance like Elaine Bennis on Seinfeld. Oh yeah.
Where'd you get that from? She got that from the
Don't
Katy,
say
the
Pepe.
Katy Perry video. That's where she got it from.
What What are you doing, Rosie? Rosie's twerking down there.
Oh man.
Well, the butt wiggler. Well, there's some cartoon thing character that does the twerking.
What are you doing, Rose?
Everyone's danced out.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Took a picture instead of shut it off.
I gotta cut that.
Me and Grandma.
Shut up.
No.
Me and Grandma.
Press the red button. Did you do it?
I couldn't see
Me and Grandma.
I took a picture.
Okay. Bye.